Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to turn off Alexa notifications.
You don't have any notifications.
I know, and we don't want any, so we want to go to Amazon Alexa here, the app. Then we want to select More here in the bottom right hand corner. Then Settings. Now Notifications here. Then Amazon Shopping. And here you can see for items in delivery updates, you can turn that off. Items return updates, you turn that off. It's entirely up to you. You can leave them on. Here's a notification for delivery, so you can, if an Amazon parcel is out for delivery, it'll tell you. But if you don't want that, you can turn that off. Returns, everything is here. So we can go through all these different things, turning them off, and you can customize your Alexa to how you want it. So hopefully that helps you out how to turn off Alexa notifications.